Good morning. My name is Clariza, and I would like to present to you our newly developed software prototype called EMI Toolkit app. It is a free software that collects and visualizes real-time data of soil sensors for farm owners and researchers to be used. As we know, agronomists go into the wide farm area, bring their sensors, collect soil data, and bring it back to the office for analysis. It is done not in real time. Our current client, who is a team of researchers from UWA Department of Agriculture, is currently doing this, but they are using a proprietary software that can be used only on just one device. This means that whenever they wanted to do a group soil analysis in the field and wanted to add more devices on the software, they need to go to pay around $1,400 per device. Additionally, the current software only generates a CSV file as an output for analysis. Time and money could have been saved to be used towards a more strategic project instead of buying a software license every time we want to add new devices. Or it can have been, time can be saved when it's performed, the analysis is performed in real time. So we created this software product where it solves those problems. Our software can generate the same CSV output as the current software that is doing. It is also a free and it can be used unlimitedly on any device. So what's our value proposition? Our unique value proposition is that our app can visualize real-time sensor data while doing the survey on the same time. It can also work with no internet connectivity. Additionally, the code base can be reused for future precision farming projects. That means it's a lot of savings on time and money for the client. So this is the demo for the software. Assuming that you already have downloaded Anaconda software on your Windows laptop, then you are already gonna have this black screen where you can type and activate your EMI Toolkit environment. And with that, you can install the prerequisite libraries to run the software. Once it's ready, you just need to do Python main.py to activate the GUI. So when the GUI is ready, now you can already scan the ports to confirm that it's tracking both the sensor and the GPS device together before you can start tracking or start getting information from these sensors. For now, we're just going to use a demo data to show you how the software works. So once the demo devices are here, you'll just select confirm and then save the project. It will create a folder on the document section of your laptop on where you store all your. After that, you're now ready to collect data from your sensors. So you can start the sensor and it will collect both information from your dual-M and at the same time from your GPS. After that, you can now start the server to view or visualize the map data of the sensor on the web page. When you click Stop Sensor, it will automatically generate a CSV file on the folder you have selected earlier. So now we're just going to open the web browser to show you the location of the field we are conducting our survey. If you will see, there is a movement on which the user is going, and it updates every 1 second.